Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at an example of 125 or 125th scale of the GMC General from AMT ERTL. So here on the front of the box, we can see here an actual photo or a photo of actual model. You can see that there in the lower corner in multiple languages. And over on this side, model kit. And a few little suggestions here on skill level. And you're going to require glue and paint from these icons. You can see it did come with chrome pieces. And they took the picture at that kind of diagonal oblique angle. Let's take a look around the edges of the box. We can get a look at the text there. This is from 1999. So again, this is from both AMT and ERTL. So the collaboration. And this particular kit was made in Mexico. And here you can see an early website. So let's see a little bit more here on the skill level kind of suggestions. Also 300 plus parts. Here we see other positional photos, including the engine compartment. Continue on the edge of the box, kind of a similar version of the cover photo on the top. Barcode. Here we have a serial number. Then on this side, more feature sets. Contact number at the time if you had questions or comments. Of course, you can probably get on some sort of website or forum. So feel free to explore that type of option. And more different positional photos as well of a painted, finished model. So at the back is one of the typical informational panels there. Which you have a look at there in multiple languages. And also a hand stamped number there. It's kind of interesting, an inspection number. So if we go ahead and open this, this is actually a project that was backburnered pretty soon after opening the box. So if we take a look at the instructions, they are kind of folded weirdly. So obviously this was put back not quite in the standard way, but here you can see a different illustration for the instructions and kind of the blueprint, schematic style, no text basically, except where really required to help delineate similar pieces to position them correctly as you progress through the kit. A few more views there. And a little bit of copyright information there, I just noticed. Optional decals, etc. So let's take a look at what we have inside here. This, I believe, was how it was originally folded, perhaps. Definitely like that. So I had actually separated quite a few of the trees into comic book bags. They were just an easy way to keep things organized. I think I actually had the instructions in this bag, like so. Let's see the level of detail out of the molds at the time, with, of course, little minor flash things. So that's why the price point of AMT ERTL kits was such at the time. If you can see just from handling this, that just popped off. Here's an actual original parts bag. Same here. You can see the cab assembly. Doors molded on, so if you actually want to use hinge doors, you would have to do some serious cutting, perhaps with a razor saw, or print your own, as technology has progressed to print technology. Looks like the chrome pieces have not been taken out of, oh, nope, correction. Here we go. Look at the chrome pieces. Pretty much like new. This one is still sealed in the bag. This one seems to have escaped a bag. So try to put that with one of these. I'll carefully take a look at some of these other pieces here. Seem to have fallen loose. I think that's just a bit of flash. This is from trimming the wheels. So you can see some have been already worked on. Like there was an example, we were just sizing one of the hubs onto one of the tires. I think this is just a piece of, no, this looks like an actual connection here. I'm just going to put that in here for now with this as well for safekeeping. Here looks like I worked on the engine assembly a little bit. Something else going on here possibly. And you can see here the lights. You got your ambers, your reds, your clears. Carefully lift up the decal set. Still intact. Has that well, now retro look to it with the stripes. There's your optional license plates and your, I guess, your serial number for this particular kit. So, not going to try to put all these back in order, but let's fish these two back out again and we'll cover into view. We were taking a quick look at the GMC General from AMT ERTL. This is in 1/25th scale from 1999. These are still out there, and I believe it might still be in production. Don't hold me to that, but feel free to check out different vendor sites, because AMT kits still make an appearance out there as production models. This has been another unboxing or re-unboxing video. Feel free to check out other videos on the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.